The Formulate 10-foot horizontal curve is a sophisticated and ergonomically designed tension fabric display system. This display consists of a state-of-the-art 30mm aluminum tube frame with a snap button assembly. Not only is it easy to store and ship, but it's a quick and easy setup. To begin, gather the tubes and connecting components to assemble the bottom section of the frame. Connect each tube using the connection methods outlined in the instruction sheet. Next, assemble the uprights that connect the bottom section of the frame. Once the uprights are in place, attach the horizontal section of the middle part of the frame using the connection components. Complete the frame by attaching the next set of upright and horizontal tubes that make up the top section. Once your frame is assembled, lay it out onto the floor. Pull the pillowcase graphic over the top of the frame and zipper the pillowcase closed at the bottom. After you have the pillowcase graphic on, stand the frame upright and the setup is complete. Thanks again for visiting our YouTube page. Please take another look at some of our other videos, subscribe, and reach out for more information.